The beauty industry is transforming. Are you ready to discover the trends shaping 2024 and beyond? Let's dive into the top 6 game changers and how you, as a cosmetic formulator, can capitalize on them. First up, sustainable and clean beauty. Consumers are demanding eco-consciousness like never before. Brands like Lush and The Body Shop are leading the way with package-free products and refill stations. As formulators, prioritize natural, ethically sourced ingredients. Explore eco-friendly packaging options and conduct life cycle assessments to evaluate the environmental impact of your products. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Next, personalization and customization. The era of one-size-fits-all is over. Consumers crave bespoke beauty experiences tailored to their unique needs. Companies like Function of Beauty and Prose are paving the way with personalized products based on online quizzes. Develop modular formulations and utilize AI and data analytics to gather customer insights. Create interactive platforms for seamless customization. Now, let's talk tech-integrated beauty solutions. Technology is revolutionizing beauty. From AI-powered diagnostics to AR try-on experiences, tech integration is enhancing the beauty journey. Incorporate smart packaging with QR codes or NFC tags for digital experiences. Collaborate with tech companies to develop diagnostic apps or devices. Leverage consumer data to inform product development. Fourth, embracing inclusivity and diversity. Beauty is diverse and brands are finally catching up. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna set a new standard with its wide range of foundation shades. Develop products catering to a broad spectrum of skin tones and undertones. Be mindful of cultural sensitivities and ensure inclusive representation in branding and advertising. Next, the rise of skinimalism. Consumers are shifting towards minimalist skincare routines with fewer, high-quality products. Think multifunctional products like tinted moisturizers with SPF. Prioritize gentle, non-irritating ingredients and provide educational content on minimalist routines. Less is more. Lastly, focus on mental health and wellness integration. Beauty is more than skin deep. The connection between mental well-being and beauty is stronger than ever. Brands like Lush offer aromatherapy-infused products, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Incorporate calming ingredients like lavender or chamomile. Create sensorial experiences that enhance relaxation. Position your products as part of a holistic wellness lifestyle. The future of beauty is here. By embracing these trends, you can create innovative products that resonate with today's conscious consumers. Stay ahead of the curve and let's shape the future of beauty together. Remember, the beauty landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated on the latest developments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to OnlyTRAININGS, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of beauty.